Hi, my name is Maria. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make homemade strawberry milk. I know we're all getting kind of bored of being in quarantine, so this is something really simple you can do at home, and most of the ingredients you guys probably already have. But before all of that, remember to wash your hands very cleanly. It's very important to stay clean and safe during these times. First, you want to get your strawberries already washed. I got about 8 and then I cut them in half. But first I cut the stem off and then I just kept on cutting them until they were all done so I could mash them up for the jam. This is just me finishing up cutting the last of them, and then I put the pieces in a cup and so I could get ready to kind of mash them together. I don't have a masher, so I just used the bottom of a wooden spoon and I kept on mashing them together up until they got into like this kind of liquidy state. And at this point the strawberries had turned into that liquidy kind of state, and there's me showing you guys. And then I added the sugar. You need about half a cup of sugar. It seems like a lot, but trust me, it's all gonna work out at the end. And you just mix it all in together and make sure the sugar kind of dissolves into the strawberries so it could turn into that strawberry-ish jam consistency. So you're gonna want to turn your oven on to like a medium height, and then you're gonna want to add your mixture to it. And at this point you're gonna want to kind of mix the mixture until it starts to simmer. That's when you're gonna know that it's done. At this point, as you can see, it was simmering. So then the next thing I did was add it into a cup to let it kind of chill a little bit. You're gonna want to wait about like 5 to 10 minutes so it could be good for the mixture. While you wait for it to cool down a little bit, you can cut up some more strawberries. I initially got 4, but I ended up only using 3, and you're gonna want to cut them into little pieces so you can put into your strawberry milk once the mixture is ready. At this point, the kind of strawberry jelly consistency had cooled down, so I put it all in the cup. I didn't use exactly all of it. There was just a little left over, and that's okay. And afterwards, I added the strawberries I just cut. I had a little trouble putting them in. As you can see, some of them did fall on the sideways, but again, that's okay. We all make mistakes. After all the strawberries were in and the jelly was in, I went ahead and added my milk. As you can see, it all kind of started to blend together, but at the same time, it wasn't all really mixing, so I went ahead and got a spoon and started to mix it up until it was all kind of blended in. If you have a container that has a cap, you can just put all the mixture in there and kind of shake it around a little until it's mixed. And then at this point, as you can see, it was kind of done and it was ready to drink. So as you can see, this is the finished product. It was really yummy, really sweet, and side note, those are store-bought cookies. I didn't make them myself, but strawberry cookies were a nice touch to it. And thank you guys for joining me today. This was really fun to make.